Welcome to Future Focus. Today we're talking about cryptocurrencies, the challenges, the opportunities, and what it all really means for your business or practice. Joining me to help demystify this all is Electra Frost, who is based in Australia and who has the title Futurist Accountant. Welcome, Electra.
Hi James, great to be here.
Let's start with a question I think everyone wants to know. What is a futurist accountant?
Well, futurist accountants are always curious about solving problems for themselves and for their clients using new technologies. They were the early adopters of cloud technologies and they led businesses into the digital revolution and now to the real technology of crypto and blockchain with AI.
Okay, well, cryptocurrency is definitely a term that a lot of people are curious about. What do you see as some of the opportunities in this space, particularly for accountants and bookkeepers? Why should they even care about this technology?
In 2012, I was advertising for accounting staff and the best applicants I got were the ones who wanted to use Xero at work because their current firms didn't and they wanted to work somewhere that would future-proof their careers. I think that time has come around again. If we want to attract and retain the best staff, they'll be the ones using crypto and blockchain, the digital natives, and they'll want to use it at work.
So if I'm a business owner or an advisor and I'm crypto curious and I want to start exploring this space, where do I start? What can I do to prepare and start to look at this space?
The best place for everyone to start is to study Bitcoin. That's where blockchain all began. That's your financial literacy 101. And to understand the difference between centralized and decentralized digital assets and the difference between custodial and non-custodial. Custodial wallets involve a third party controlling your assets, such as an exchange, which is similar to a bank. Non-custodial wallets give you full control over your crypto assets with more responsibility put on you.
There's an aspect there of where small businesses today understand the assets that they have because they're physical or they're fixed and they can understand them and they know how to treat them. With these crypto assets, it can get a little bit more confusing. Some of the concepts translate, some of them don't. Is this an area where you think it's useful for small businesses to explore with their accountants?
Definitely. Now accountants should be watching the tokenization of real-world assets. That can include properties like artworks, real estate, access right, licenses, even business know-how and processes can be minted as NFTs. Understand that these digital assets in a business are used to generate revenues. A digital asset can be used to generate revenue and new forms of value like ESG credits and social impact. Even contributions of knowledge could be considered as a form of currency. This is disrupting our revenue models and how we account for value. So the tax and accounting rules might not be caught up yet, but if your accountant understands your business model and what you are trying to achieve with this new technology to create value and what that value is, then it's going to make more sense to rationalize some methodology for keeping records and reporting your business activities.
It's so fast moving. There's so many things changing all the time. How do you keep up with all this technology and how do you know where things are heading?
They say 1 year in blockchain is a dog year. It's like 7 years because there's just so much being built out. I've studied applied blockchain and made it a habit to learn something new every day by listening to podcasts, reading all the time and experimenting with many wallets and apps, participating in projects and going to meetups. We can explore our own cross-sections of knowledge with crypto and keep it to our own industry and interests. Remember, the goal isn't to know everything, but to remain adaptable and open to change.
Thanks so much, Electra. It's been great hearing your insights and chatting with you today.